Hello, good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Fine? Doing fine? Okay, well. See, look at the board. Yeah, there are so many birds. We all know names of all these birds, right? Now I am going to sing one song. Okay? Listen, all of you, okay? Little bird, do you know? You are so different, how is that? I have big my food to eat. Unlike you, I have no teeth. I have feathers, soft and light. I have feathers, soft and light. My wings and tail help me to fly. At the end of the day, when I want to rest. At the end of the day, when I want to rest, I come back home to my nest. Okay, birds. We are learning about birds. Birds have beaks but no teeth. Then their body covered with feathers, beautiful feathers, and they have wings, help them to fly, and they have tail and legs. Okay, the last class, we saw many birds, right? All are here, that all birds are here on the board. You already know all the names, right? Okay, now I want to take one of the bird. Okay, tell me which bird is this? Which bird is this? Yes, this is hen. Symbol, no? Hen. Hen can fly. Hen can fly, but only short distance. Cannot fly very high. You know, only short distance they can fly. And do you know, hen lay eggs. Hen lays egg which can hatch into chicks. Which can hatch into chicks. Yes? Chicks kori kunje, alle? Then hen gives us what? Hen gives us egg. Hen gives us egg. Which bird can gives us egg? Hen. Hen gives us egg. Okay, have you got it? Yes, can I take the next one? Yes, look at here. Tell me. Cock. Which bird is this? Cock. Like a hen, cock also can fly but cannot fly very high. Only short distance they can fly, right? But cock also, one more name, that is rooster. What it is? Rooster. What is rooster? Cock. Yes? Cock. Okay? Got it, all of you? Okay, shall I take the next small birds? Small bird. Which bird is this small one? Sparrow. Which bird is this? Sparrow. Sparrows are small birds, right? Small birds. Small, big, then brown, grey, white and different colors, feathers. And they live, the sparrows live in flocks, that is groups. They live in flocks, group. Okay, small birds, what is their name? Sparrow. Sparrow. Okay, ready to take the next one? Ready? Tell me the next one. Green feathers with red beak. green feathers with red beak, red curved beak. Which bird is that? Parrot. Yes, which bird is that? Parrot. Do you know parrot can talk? Parrot can talk. Then how? If we trained, it will talk if we trained. Right? Which bird can talk if we train? Parrot. Red beak, red curved beak and green feathers. Which bird is that? Parrot. We saw hen, cock, sparrow and parrot. Now, yes, this is the beautiful, one of the beautiful bird. Which bird is that? We all like very much. It has a long tail, beautiful feathers. Yes, peacock. Which bird is this? Peacock. Peacock can dance. Peacock can dance. Dancing bird. Which is a dancing bird? Which bird can dance? Which bird can dance? Peacock. And one important thing is, peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. Our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. It can dance. So dancing bird. Peacock has long, beautiful tail, beautiful feathers, beautiful color feathers. Okay. And the next one is, tell me which bird is this? Duff. Which bird is this? Duff. We usually see white in color, grey in color. And do you know, duff is the symbol of peace. Symbol of peace. സമാധാനത്തിൻ്റെ സിംബലാണ്. Which bird is that? Duff. Duff is the symbol of peace. Which bird is that? Duff. Okay. And we all know this bird. Which bird is this? Duck. Which bird is this? Duck. Duck can swim. Duck can swim. Okay. Look at the duck. Look at the duck. Duck can swim. Look at their feet. Look at their feet. Something special, no? Webbed feet that help them to swim in the water. That help them to swim in the water. Yes, like a hen, duck also lays egg. Duck also gives us egg. And they can swim, they can run like this. Okay. And the next bird is, see, long legged and long neck and sharp pointy beak. Do you know which bird is that? Crane. Which bird is this? Crane. Why they need a pointy beak? For catching their food. Easily catching their food. Okay. See their legs, long leg and neck also long. Okay. That is, which bird is that? Crane. And the last one, see, look at this bird. Which bird is this? Tell me. Owl. Look at their eyes, large eyes and a flat face. Which bird is? Owl. Tell me. Owl. Okay. Children, did you see owl in the daytime? No, we can't see. Huh? We can't see. At daytime they cannot see at daytime. They only come out from the nest, from their nest in the night. In the night. They can see in the night only. Okay? Which bird is that? Owl. And owl can rotate its neck. Owl can rotate its neck. Okay? Owl can hoot and they can rotate its neck. Okay, that is which bird is that? Which bird can hoot and which bird can rotate its neck? Owl. Okay, now we saw all the birds, their specialities, right? Okay, now tell me which is the biggest, largest bird? Which is the largest bird among those birds? No, look at here. Which bird is this? Ostrich. Which bird is this? Ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird and it lays a largest egg. Okay? Largest egg. And this ostrich is the largest bird, biggest bird. Okay? And a fast runner also. They cannot fly. Ostrich cannot fly. They can run fast. Fast runner. Who is the fast runner? Which bird is the fast runner? Ostrich. Ostrich is the fast runner and largest bird. It lays largest egg also. Okay? Now all of you got all the information, all the things? Now, I will ask you, okay? You want to tell me which bird is that? Right? Ready? Okay. Tell me two birds that will gives us egg. Tell me, name any two birds that can give, that lay eggs, that give us eggs. Hen and duck. Okay, you are correct. And one bird can talk. That one bird can talk if we trained. Which bird is that? Parrot. Yes, parrot can talk if we train. That also correct. And which is our national bird? Which is our national bird? Peacock. Beautiful feathers and long tail. And they can dance also. Which is the dancing bird? Yes, that also peacock. And the next one is, ready? One bird is the symbol of peace. Symbol of peace. Which bird is that? Yes, dove. Okay? Dove. Can you tell me a swimming bird? One bird can swim. And the feet like a webbed feet. Duck. Yes, that is duck. And which is the largest bird? And fast, which is a fast runner? That is one bird. Last we saw that bird. Ostrich. Which bird is that? Ostrich. And one bird cannot see in the daytime. That bird can rotate its neck and can hoot. Which bird is that? Owl. Yes, that also correct. Owl. And one bird can also call rooster. Which bird is that? Rooster. Yes, cock. Which bird is that? Cock. And one small bird we saw, no? Small bird, they live in group, they live in flocks. Which bird is that? Sparrow. Sparrows. Okay, now we saw all the birds, and one more bird, that long legged, long necked, pointy beak. I told you, no? Which bird is that? Crane. Okay, that is crane. Okay, now we saw all the birds. Our chapter is over. Okay, you can see that those birds on the board. Okay, now we close our chapter, the birds. Okay, close our chapter birds, and also finish our book, term 1 book. Okay, the next class, revision. Okay children, all the best. Thank you.